you say 32?
College assignment.
Hi. I'm great. How are you?
We got a good one over here.
Can you say Ember?
Ember.
No, we're gonna say it like
An
Australians.
accent.
Like Australians. Yeah. Do you know much about Australia?
Not too much.
We actually just lost our queen. Yeah. I'm sorry to bring the mood down, okay? I need to talk about this, I'm processing it. Alright, it's a lot to take in.
That was nice.
And Maddie, why is it that you feel like you lose so many things?
Well, I don't lose too many things, but I lost my keys this morning.
This morning.
Yeah.
Where did you find them?
In my bag.
In your purse? So you found them in the place they were supposed to be?
Well, technically, usually with my badge from work.
Badge?
Like your work badge? Yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant like a
The
police
employee ID.
officer's badge.
No.
I'm gonna stop making jokes.
Jimara. Okay, Jimara. Where did you think your keys were?
By our table in the front where they're supposed to be.
They're supposed to be. How long did it take you to find them?
About 20 minutes.
Okay, and where were they ultimately?
Well, I got home, took out my, I changed, and they were under the pile of clothes.
It'd be like that sometimes. And when did this happen? Please illuminate us.
Right before coming here.
So you
was
almost didn't
today.
make it. It was the devil.
I had to spare keys, but then I
Right before you used the spare keys, the Lord spared you.
Yeah.
All right, so Taylor, go
yes,
ahead.
we have Donna is here and Carla is here. Okay, so what did you lose? When? Today? Getting ready to come here. Okay, were you late? Like, did you want to arrive here at a certain time but it made you late, or were you still on time? Kind of late? Okay.
to drive all the way.
Okay, so she was a little late meeting her sister-in-law who was waiting for her so they can drive here. Okay, and you lost your keys, right? And you found them, so you got here safely. You're good, right? Okay, she got them. And then this is Carla. What did you lose, Carla?
My cell phone.
This one's crazy.
Oh,
This one's crazy though. Watch
We've all
this.
been there.
Okay, Carla, tell me where your cell phone was.
It was on the hood of the car.
Wait, in this parking lot? In this parking lot, on the hood of the car.
My word.
She was on the backside.
A place to hide this weary soul. This pack of bones. Promising I try, and I try with all of my might, but I just can't win the fight. I'm so
Lost another one, I am free. Oh, don't you believe that? We sing. Hell lost another one, I am free. Oh, I am free. Come on, who the sun sets free is free indeed. So we declare that tonight. We sing. Hell lost another one, I am down. He's faithful through every season. So why would he fail now? He won't. Oh, do you believe that? He won't fail us. Day, literally, we got on a plane. And it's cool. So I've been sitting with Pastor Jamie, and I'm trying to be best friends, just it's super fun. But also lean in and hear the heart and the words and the vision that's in her heart. And I know that if you've been here for a while, Jamie is a woman of wisdom. She's a woman of prayer, right? And I think we cannot. I know you're hating that I'm. And it's all gonna be alright. It's all gonna be alright. I can mess this love. Even in the mess I make, you take me regardless of all my mistakes. You must. I'm worth it.
to speak to my own gender and say, hey, ladies, something's coming. Like, wake up, Zion. Like, wake up. There's something God has for you. And I'm gonna just tell you, we don't have a lot of time, but I'm just gonna tell you these 3 stories, tell you where the references are, so you can go read them later. But I wanna just flip to Eve for just a minute, you know, the one that screwed it all up for us. And that's all I have ever thought about her. I wrote a book many years ago now, called Finding Eve, and I had this idea from the Lord to pretend like I'd found her journal. So every chapter starts out with an excerpt from her pretend journal of what life would have been like for her. And realizing that she was the first to suffer everything that you and I can imagine that we've suffered. Marriage, relationship, childbirth. I mean, her first kid killed her second one. She knew it all. She understood it. She understood that kind of pain from every angle. And the beautiful thing about her that I just was captivated by in Scripture, because I've always been told that she kind of messed it up for us. The reality of it is, we wouldn't have ever done any better. But when you find God in the midst of the crafting of her, and you're reading these verses and you're reading this stuff and you're like, oh man, he loved this chick like he loved her. Like he gave her everything. He loved her so much. And he wanted communion with her. In fact, when she's standing with her husband and the enemy disguises himself as a serpent, and he said, did God really say? He doesn't say a word to Adam. He comes straight to her. And I've been told my whole life it was because she was weaker. And when I started asking God about the girl he created and why the enemy came to her, because I don't know if you realize it, when you have God sitting on the throne of your heart, you have an all-access pass to answers. Like, God fathers my almost 18-year-old, and tells me when I'm on trips what he's doing. Like, literally, word for word tells me. My son calls God the snitch. And I'm like, that's right. I work for him, he works for me.
Doing here, but okay. That was incredible. Do you guys have your global impact paper? It's in your Bible. You have that. Okay, I want you to catch that. We need prayer for that, so I want you to have that with you. Now, before you walk out, I get the real fun part of all the practicalities of what we're going to be doing when we walk out the doors. So this is how tonight's going to roll. The cool part is that we just met with the Lord, and now we're going to meet with one another in the atrium with really yummy food. I'm really hungry. I didn't eat. I did not eat dinner, so don't judge me if I have like 10 of them, whatever it is. But this is what we're going to do.
Miss Jimara, the birthday girl.
Guys, this is Rio. We're here in Jimara's farmhouse party. There's a little cantina right there.
Jimmy, look at that one.
Pelo?
Hello, Miss Bailey.
My name is Bailey.
Bailey.
Hey, mommy. Or puppy.
Bailey.
Ahí está. Hello. Hello. You're so creepy.
Mira diente, mira esos dientes se parecen al mío.
Melvin, hi Melvin.
Yo estoy sudada, pero we're here in Jimara's birthday party. It's a little tour right now. Estamos bien atrás because we were with the horses. Pero aquí está those little, I don't know what, pero mira turkey.
Are you ready for Thanksgiving?
I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to say that.
And then this is my family.
Oh, so cute.
No matter what the goat says.
Hello. You look like me in the morning. You look like me in the morning.
Perdóname, mi corazón. Perdóname.
It's so soft.
Where you going, buddy?
I got it.
Where you going, buddy? La puerta para que no salga, parece que.
Somebody's scared. Somebody's scared.
This is so peaceful.
Mira, nos vamos para el listo. El listo.
Ay, yo les tengo miedo,
Take it out of there.
Well, guys, I got the pizza. And for the first time, no me da náusea. ¿Por qué no me da náusea? Porque esta servidora está expecting a baby. A little baby.
Le falta mucho, sí, le falta mucho.
You're my photographer again. Because this one, you take a video. You're gonna sing with me?
Cheers, Panya,
Stephanie,
Yes. Everybody sing.
Stephanie, le va a cantar Happy Birthday.
You're gonna sing happy birthday for me?
¿Dónde? En el agua, la más.
Okay, I wish we could get something so you guys can be higher.
¿Dónde los baños?
Okay, all the kids over here with me.
Where's the restroom?
Over here with me. I wish I had something to put you up.
Eso no tienen, yo no creo que eso tengan lavamanos, eso parece.
No, ahí dice welcome, y dice welcome. Acá el número 3, número 4. Pero no dice lavadero.
¿Dónde está? Arabella quiere venir para acá. Bella, she's good. Okay, we gotta go, guys. Taking pictures?
Impossible to get anything over there.
Okay, you ready? You guys gonna sing? Yeah! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jimara. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, guys. Cake
I couldn't hold the pizza down, but I got this.